Hello, you hairy potatoes! My name is Connor Haken, and we are going to be playing Ratchet and Clank. So let's get started. This is on the PS4. It was only $40. I'm a bit through the campaign so far, and I think this is a great place to do some gameplay to show you the game. I just got a couple of cool new weapons, so let's just head back to the ship. Let's see. And this is Ratchet and Clank, the old platformer from the PS2 days and PS3, now on the PS4. So let's just go. This is a mini game, so let's go through this. But I'm really liking this game so far, and it's just nostalgia, and it's the good old Ratchet and Clank that if you played any of them before, it's the same. But it's a remastered version. It's more than a remastered because they really redid all the levels and it's inspired. I never played the first Ratchet and Clank, so this is a completely new experience for me. And so it's like a brand new game from my perspective. But I think it'd even be worth it if you played it before because the graphics are really good. Just look at the water effects and all the lighting and all the doodads. It's really a pretty game. And it's fun too. And you know, the platforming genre is very dead these days. You only get a couple of good ones every, 2 or 3 years, and this is a great platforming game as well as the shooting. So we're gonna go to a new level that I just unlocked. I was playing some hoverboard level before, and it reminded me of the Spyro skateboarding challenge, which was not that great, but that's not the point. So yeah, this is Ratchet and Clank. Let's see how the level progresses. But I guess I should give you some of my impressions because this is an impressions video. So I am liking it. I think it's greatly done. Like this right here is really beautiful artwork. And that may be used as the thumbnail there. And I think we're doing a secret mission. It's funny how I saw the movie. There's a Ratchet and Clank movie that came out with this game as well. And I liked it, but the movie wasn't, amazing. I think the game is much better. Oh, I guess I'm Clank now. So, this is Clank, the robot that sits on your back. Oh, let's see if I can kill these guys. Very pretty. Good music. But yeah, I was watching the movie, and the movie was really exciting. It was weird. It was like a mixture of 40-year-olds and little kids. Because you could tell most of the 40-year-olds were people who had played Ratchet and Clank and they wanted to see the game. And then there were little kids who had obviously never played any Ratchet stuff and they just wanted to see a kids movie. But I liked it. Let's see if we can't get this guy. I will move you right here. Thank you. Bouncing. I bought this game like a couple months ago, and we had talked about it on the podcast. But I've gotten back into it now, now that I'm home for the summer, and I'm liking it. I don't know why Insomniac made this game, if they're going to make a Ratchet and Clank 2 now that they've remastered the first one, or this is kind of their marquee franchise that they've been doing for a long time.
But there is still a prototype device nearby. I will collect it for you.
Where did I go? What's that? Hopefully this isn't in another uncharted room where I become stuck. Am I stuck? Come on now. I am not good at video games. Don't blame me. I need to get out of here. Where is it? Oh, right here, maybe? Oh. Nope. What am I doing wrong? Pressing all the buttons. Oh, maybe there's something you need to jump up into? Weird. Maybe I need to press it back. This guy. Back on here. Oh, power bot. We change. There we go. That's where we needed to go. There we go. Man, I thought I was really gonna get stuck in that room. I don't know if this is my favorite Ratchet and Clank game. I think my favorite Ratchet and Clank was Up Your Arsenal on the PS2. Just really good. It was all about the upgrades and the weapons, and this game has all those too, but I think the most fun part of this game is the weapons and just the sheer craziness that you can do with them. And Up Your Arsenal completed that to the best possible degree. Whereas this game, you can still see that they're trying to do the whole story aspect and really play that out. Let's see if I can't. I need to throw this guy somewhere. And these are more puzzle levels. So, how do we get across? He wants to be thrown somewhere. I can't throw him anywhere. What if I just throw him off the edge? I don't want to do that. Oh, right over here. Let me guess. No? Square. Oh, maybe we'll put him back here. And then we'll take this back.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetobots.
Oh, so I think I can make them into anything. Okay, so then I can take that and then make them into a floor bot. Oh! Huh. Cool. As you can see, I have not played this level yet. Oh, don't die, don't die.
That was impressive.
You can actually die in this game fairly easily. Which I like. There's some difficulty. Get the bolts. I don't know, I remember, and this is by Insomniac, and they're the people who made Spyro back in the day. And you can tell the inspiration is still there in terms of like the bolts is like the better version of picking up the gems from Spyro. I think the gems was a better idea than the bolts.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetobots.
Where can I put him? Oh, nope. Don't want that. Nope. We want that. Nope. Alright, let's take him and make a ladder. But what I was saying before was part of the reason why I like the gems in Spyro better is because they could say you've collected 90% of all the gems on the map, and it was almost like the collectible was built in. Where like they have cards in this game where you're supposed to be collecting, which I don't really like. I'd rather be, you know, you've collected, said 95% of the bolts on the map or something like that. Why does that work? Did you make it power? Power. Oh, there we go. Okay. I wonder if I should take this guy back. I guess I can't. Okay. Hello, mister.
Quite the puzzle.
Right, and this is the puzzle. Let's see. Do it him? Yeah, let's do that. Some bolts. But yeah, even the story in this game is better than the movie was. And it doesn't need to be as good. It's funny because there's interaction, you're actually playing. I don't think the story has to be as good as it does in the movie. Okay, so we need to have more bots. We need to go find more bots. Oh, there's one guy up there. I remember in Tools of Destruction they had some time puzzles, and those were really fun. This one's more basic puzzles. Alright, so you go here as a electricity bot, and you come with me. And another electricity bot. And then we can take him. It's already open. What's in there? I wish they would make another Spyro game. Insomniac has done a couple of other games.
There they are.
Oh, hover boots. Needed these. Let's see.
Come in, Ratchet. I just located a pair of Magna boots. Returning to your position now.
Awesome. I always wanted a pair of Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
But Insomniac's made some other games like Sunset Overdrive, which I never played, and because it's on the Xbox One. But really,
Clank, return them to Ratchet.
Insomniac Ratchet is their biggest.
Ratchet, what's your status on Operation Falling Star?
We got a little distracted. We're on it.
Okay, so we went that way. All right. Yeah. Okay. So now we need to go to do the real mission. And now we're back with guns. So I have all kinds of guns, and I got a couple of new ones. The Groovatron. I think we'll see what this one does right away.
Perhaps the trespasser will be useful here.
All right, another mini game. Okay, select a ring. There we go. Cool.
Attention scientists!
Oh, we gotta watch out for
Chairman
this.
Frick here. I just want to thank you for all of your hard work these last few months. I may be your leader, but I am nothing without the tenacious Blarg here at this facility.
Ratchet, look out.
The weapons you're creating will help mark the beginning of a glorious new era for our
The jokes are good in this game as well. There's always usually some jokes. Oh, we gotta get this guy. There we go. Alright, oh my. Groovatron. Oh, we gotta do two of these now. Oh, no. Alright, let's try this. Oh, that's not the Groovatron. They're dancing.
It has been brought to my attention.
That's great.
We may have an intruder at the facility. If you come across anyone who is not a Blarg, feel free to kill them.
Okay. Oh, I can't get through for some reason.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep going.
I don't know how I did that, but it worked.
Oh, come on! He was out of bounds. Open your eyes, ref.
And again, there's the cards, but I don't like cards. They should get rid of cards in games. Trading cards are for real life, not for video games. There we go. I guess that was a little secret area. Going this way. Let's see, what I got a Pixelizer. This is a new gun. The Groovatron has been in other Ratchet games. Oh no! Oops. I died. Alright, oh, it saved me. That's good. Okay, can we go this way? Yeah, let's go this way first. Oh. Those guys got eaten. I don't know how to get over there. Let's just go this way. Oh, there's another card. Alrighty. Oh no! His rear hat pushed me back. Died yet again. Really hard. Oh, I guess I got the card already. I hope Insomniac makes a new platformer that is fun. Maybe go back to Spyro. Oh, let's do this. Can I pixelize him? Oh, cool. Turns them into pixels. Can we destroy the pixels? Nice.
What is
See, that's so
all this?
creative.
It appears Chairman Drek has been growing his own army.
Uh-oh. Let's pixelate you. Oh, he can still attack me. Oh, there's a dragon? Let's see, what should we use on him? Let's use the Kimbuster. There we go. Such a sad life. They were in these tubes all the time, and then I let them go and they got killed.
Just a reminder that all projects, files, and experiments are the property of Drek Industries. However, I welcome all feedback. Should you disagree with this policy, feel free to voice your concern.
I thought the audio designs really well in this game. That's something I'm always listening to. Does it sound good? The animations are very well. Let's see what's up here. Oh, there we go. We can do another Groovatron. Groovatron.
Come in. It looks like Drek has been experimenting on creatures.
Ha! It'll take more than a few bugs to scare off Captain Quark. Unless there are spiders. Are there spiders? No, I'll never get comfortable in this bed. Mission control. We're monitoring you.
Oh no. They're all dancing now. Let's use some bombs. Out of ammo. Mr. Zircon. Oh, we have a flamethrower. The flames on this flamethrower look really nice. Let's go around here. Can we get up there? I don't think I can hit those guys. Let's use the combustor, I guess. Oh, out of ammo there. Pixelated? Using another Mr. Zircon, I guess.
You have seen the last of Mr. Zircon.
These up there, I guess.
We're all clear.
There we go. Cool, but I need ammo.
I shall let you live. Signed, Mr. Zircon lives.
I haven't gotten to any of the boss battles yet, now that I think about it. I wonder if there'll be a boss battle on this. I bet there will be.
Fellow Blarg, I've recently learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our restricted
There we go.
area to feed subject 857B Echo.
Oh, let's flip the Omni Wrench with
Friendly
them.
reminder that
Uh-oh.
857B
I'm about to be
Echo
dead.
is not a pet, and should
Damn. Oh no! Hopefully it saves my... Yes, it saves it there. Do I have any ammo?
Fellow Blarg,
Yes,
I've
I do.
recently learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857B Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857B Echo is not a pet, and should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
Paul Giamatti played the main villain in the main game. He's pretty good. I like him as an actor. Oh no. Some people have said this is the prettiest game on the PS4. Let's see. Can we go bombs? It only gave me a little bit of ammo when I died. There we go. There we go. Oh, here. This is better. Proton drone. Oh no, I only have 4 HP left. No. Okay. Gotta be careful. What should we use? Oh, I have a Groovatron. Yeah, let's use a Groovatron. Hopefully I don't die. I'm probably gonna die. Oh. There we go. Now you gotta dance. Dance to your death. Yay, and I can refill my ammo. Here's the weapon upgrades. I did a little bit on the combustor. Let's upgrade Mr. Zircon. I have 8 upgrades. There we go. Really needed that. Now let's see, can I go over here? Oh, there's some kind of secret passage. Oh no, that's where we came from. Another mini game. Oh, so these ones gotta be there. And these ones gotta be... There we go. Okay. Oh, yep, this is, I think, a boss. Hopefully I can kill the boss. Wow. I've heard that when they were making the movie, they animated parts of the game and then they sent it over to the games team. And I think that's why it looks so good. And that kind of makes sense.
Did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian snaggle beast?
And I'm surprised this wasn't in the movie. This should have been in the movie, though.
I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Captain?
Oh, no.
Oh boy.
Let's see if we can get him. Let's make him dance. That's mine. When in doubt, use the Groovatron. Yes, it works. Okay, I'm gonna use these fusing grenades on him while he's dancing. Dance! Yes! Okay, I need some ammo. Luckily, there's lots of ammo in these boss battles. Let's fill up with ammo. Go around. Oh, we'll get some health too. Needed that. Oh, I guess I don't. I guess I'm full health. Okay, should we make him dance again? This is such a cheesy strategy, but it's gonna work. Then I'll switch over to the. Oh, I guess I haven't used the combustion. Dance! Okay. Let's see. Oh, now he's back. All right. Get more ammo. Oh no. Lava! Are there any games that don't have lava in them? And the answer is no. Let's see. Come on. Gotta get more ammo. Alright. So, strafing. There was not strafing like this in the first game. Luckily, I've been playing a lot of Dark Souls 3, so this boss is really easy. Nah, he fell into the lava. It's Mr. Zircon. Let's see, use a pixel. Let's pixelate him. Will he even do that? Alright, let's do more ammo. I don't care about these little minions. Alright, let's pixelate him. Pixelate! Yes, it does! Oh, shoot. That fire looks really nice. See if I can pick the pixels? No, I can't. No. Come on, pixelate, pixelate! No! I need more health. No, don't kill me, don't kill me. I want to kill this boss on the first try. That's my goal. Yeah, I got more pixelations. Let's switch to the bombs. Oh, no. Let's keep going. Help, help, help. Here we go. Now I'm back. Alright, bomb time. Oh, should we do a group? Let's do a group. Groovin'! Let's switch to the bombs. Ah! I'm gonna do a fire too. Nice. Fire, 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 fire. Fire under your feet. Dance! Okay, look. Oh, is he still dancing? Nope, he's done. Groovtron. Then we do fire. Dance! It's actually taking itself down quite a bit. Alright. Let's see if we can do bombs. Yeah, because we got upgraded bombs. Alright, let's see if we can't get more health. This is really fun. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Shoot, 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 shoot. Too many guys, too many guys. Should we do... Yeah, let's do another Groovtron here. We'll use a proton drum. Nice. I like the items upgrading by you just using them. Alright, let's use another Groovtron. Next to this guy, and then we'll do the grenade. Okay, so we do a Zircon. And then Protodrome. Oh, because we can get him in that one spot. We do, yeah, let's do this. Finish him off. That would suck if I fell into lava right now and just died. Oh no, it's gonna get me. Oh crap. Let's go get help. No!
Better find some nanotech.
No, don't die, don't die. Oh, there's some. Come on, he's at 6%. Come on. Oh, it didn't give it to me. No! It's 6%. I'm almost dead. Oh, there's one over there. No, that's not it. I could just try to kill him, but I don't want to die. I only have 11 shots anyway. Alright, we gotta... Oh, we should do the Groovatron. And then kill him. Come on, there we go. Okay, that's all I needed. Alright, let's kill him with the Groovatron. And then... Oh, there we go. He's at 5% left. 3, 2... Oh, I'm out of ammo. Okay, grenade, grenade. There we go. Woo! Nice.
I yield! I yield! Please, don't hurt me! Tell us what... Tell us what you... hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's plan.
Whoa. Thanks.
All right. Well, I guess that has been my impressions, and we've taken a look at Ratchet and Clank. So thanks, and I'll be back for more later. Bye.